Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this ashwagandha supplement from Now Supplements. So I began taking ashwagandha almost about a year ago to help relieve the symptoms of PCOS. Ashwagandha can help the body manage stress, which is a huge factor in PCOS symptoms. You really want to make sure your stress levels are low, and this also helps to support the immune system. The pills are small and easy to swallow, and taking it about twice a day makes this bottle last about a month and a half. I really like purchasing from Now Supplements as they have good quality checks and they work to keep their prices low. So I really trust taking supplements from Now Supplements. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.